x squared, then is equals to what? We equate that to analyzing x squared, but more analyzing x squared from the original function. Ash ke minus 2x squared. Then why it's out minus 2x squared. Get it from our function. Ash. Get it from our function. Then we solve for m. How can check x squared? X squared is what? You divide by x squared, you divide by x squared, you divide by x squared. Kinale 2 plus m is equals to minus 2. Then when you solve, basically m is equals to minus 4. M is equals to minus 4. Level? Then kinale x plus 1, 2x squared minus 4x. You substitute more. Whatever. Minus 4x minus 6. So like that the previous one. Then you take out the common factor. 2x plus 1. Common factor here, 2. X squared minus 2x minus 3. Then you have 2x plus 1. Then you factorize that the same way. X plus 1, x minus 3. Which is just 2x plus 1 all squared, x minus 3. So when you use the inspection, and the normal one, so we get the same answer. Okay, so I want to do the example. The last example. So heba to offer, bakaso effect. I get the money no bar feel effect. So but next time heba to offer, they won't give you the effect. So it means now you need to know how do we find the effect. So I'm going to do the last example. Now let's say another example. Let's say now this example factorize. Factorize x cubed minus 12x minus 16. So to find the factors, let's say I don't know if it's a f of x or if it's a f of x. No? So to find the factors, you can just use your calculator. For example, you check numbers. You consider, so you can basically check. Usually what you do is recheck the factors that the last term. For example, check the factors that the last term. For example, plus minus factors that last term make it plus minus 1, or x is equals to plus minus 2, or x is equals to plus minus 4. So the factors are 16. We check basically the last term. We check the factors that the last term. It can also be x can also be plus minus 8, or it can also be x is equals to plus minus 16. So if one of these things, how we substitute up, you check all of them, you substitute them in your function. If you substitute the okra f is equals to 0. For example, let's take if x is equals to 1. If x is equals to 1, or the f is equals to 1, then we substitute f is equals to 1 into your function. Then we see that here you substitute f is equals to 1 in a function. Infa minus 27. Correct, there's a remainder. Level. Correct x minus 1 is not a factor. Level. Impotor f minus 1 is not a factor. Level. So let me just pick randomly. So you just have x is equals to let me take, which one can I take? Let me take f is equals to minus 2. You realize if I substitute minus 2, I get 0. Level. So if I substitute x is equals to minus 2, I get 0. So when I get 0, Kurore x with a we know it is a gamo over plus 2 kurore is a factor. So kurore x plus 2 is going to be a factor. So now since regular x plus 2 is a factor, now what you're going to do is we are going to, now you can choose any method that you like. You can either use the inspection, factorization by inspection, or you can use factorization by, you can use long division. So let me take this thing. So we have that if we have, so now we have our f of x as x cubed minus 12x minus 16, and then we have the factor s, we have x plus 2 is a what? Is a factor, because of what? F of minus 2 gives us 0. That's very important. Okay, so it's a factor. Then now we can use, let us just use long division. So we have x plus 2. Then now I have x cubed plus labona x squared I think x squared I think, so we cancel so are x squared. Then let's know we cancel x squared ki 0 times x squared ki x squared ki 0. Hore ebe di term tsa 4, then go bale minus 12x minus 16. Go tshwanetse di tsamaya in this order: x cubed, x squared, x, no x. Go di thewe so until 0. So now I have to use my long division. Then when I use my long division, this one here you will see over here basically x squared. And then this one multiplied by this one is going to be x cubed. And then 2 multiplied by x squared is going to be what? Plus 2x squared. Then you minus. Then after you minus this one always must give you 0. Then 0 minus 2 is going to give me minus 2x squared. Then you bring the minus 12 down. Then after bringing the minus 12 down, you're going to say now x gamma minus 2x squared there guy minus 2x. Minus 2x. And then this one multiplied by this one is going to be minus 2x. 2 multiplied by this is going to be minus what? It's going to be minus 4x. This one gives me 0. When I minus, this one will give me 0. Then minus 12x plus minus 12x minus 4x is going to be minus 8x. Minus, then you bring this 16 down. Then x ke minus 8. Then this one multiplied by this one 8x. That's one I'll do. 2 multiplied by minus 8 ke minus 16. Remainder ke 0. Whatever. Then kuror kinale x plus 2. Then kinale x squared minus 2x minus 8. Then I can factorize this thing further. X plus 2. Then open 2 brackets. Then kobaleng x, and then kobaleng minus 4 plus 2. You know, so I can x plus 2 all squared x minus 4. I factorize. Okay, so if you didn't understand and you want me to do more examples and everything, you can just write on the comment box, then I will do more of examples. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the video.